Facebook. How are you? It's been a little bit over a week, and I thought I'd hop on here and just see how everyone's going. And I hope you're having an amazing week. It is Tuesday here in Melbourne, Tuesday night. It's almost 7 o'clock. I'm just about to hop on a call with my tribe, and so I thought I'd come on here really quickly and say hi, Leah. How are you? Good evening, beautiful. Lizzie's on. How are you? Hope everyone's well. It's been a really great start to the week for us, which is fantastic. So I thought I'd come on. Hope everyone's had a great week. Evening. Thank you. Good morning, Leah. How are you, beautiful? So I thought I'd just come on here because, you know, I have a lot of people ask me, especially those that have known me for quite a while, why I've chosen network marketing. Hey Maya, how you going? Hope you're well, babe. Hi Mario. Oh my goodness, Mario's on. Why network marketing? You know, I had a successful corporate sales career for 20 years, and why have I ventured off into a completely different industry and literally almost started over again in my 40s when I've been doing so well in my corporate sales career? And you know, it's a valid question. I know that a lot of people have been really curious to know that because, you know, sales is a hard gig, and you know, I was in business development and did really well in it, but you know, it didn't quite, you know, tug me at the heart. Towards the end, it was something that I really didn't want to do. It made me I was dragging my feet, and you know, I knew that there was a bigger calling for me. I've always known that. I just didn't know what it was. And I'll always be grateful for my girlfriend, Renee Giarusso, who kind of opened my eyes to this profession, which is absolutely amazing. And I just wanted to quickly share with you about, you know, my journey really quickly, having ventured in, because I want people to know that, you know what, you don't have to be an expert to come into this industry. I've seen way too many people with no experience have massive success. And whatever that success is to you, I mean, it differs for everybody, right? You know, and so I just want to have a chat with you about it because, you know, I want to paint this picture. And the reason why is I watched this live from one of my mentors, Tim Edwards, who Olaf and I had the privilege of having one-on-one coaching last year. And he was talking about today, you know, imagine not having to put on the alarm, not having to get in your car and drive an hour into work, not having to go into a job that you hate. And you know, this message is for people that are unhappy. I know there's people that are happy, so this is not for you, right? You know, not going into a job that you hate, being told what to do rather than what you want to do, right? Being paid what you are told that you're worth rather than what you are actually worth. These are all really key elements in someone's working career where, you know, your earning capacity is capped. You really can't go beyond what, you know, your employer dictates to you. You have to ask for annual leave and sick leave. And quite often, especially in families, you've got situations where families that have to put their kids into childcare and aftercare and before school care, etc., to, you know, to make it all work logistically as well. And it can be quite a laborious process. Whereas network marketing offers you the opportunity to be able to create a lifestyle around your family. And it does take work. I'm not going to lie. You know, it is a business, and anybody that tells you can go from zip to $1 million, you know, within 2 weeks is obviously telling you porkies. But there is the potential and the capacity for you to earn that. It's completely up to you how you want to go. I've got a lot of people that I've spoken to that are in my tribe. They want to earn, you know, an extra $200-300 a month, and that's okay. You know, we show them how to do that step by step. We got people that want to exit themselves out of their corporate world. Great. Tell me the magic number and I'll help you get there, right? We've got people that want to, you know, make it to the top and earn 7 figures, right? Absolutely, Maya. You have to treat it like a business. Boom, right? And, if you want to have it as a business, you can. You can absolutely treat it as a business. So it meets everybody. It meets people that just want to have a side hustle, people that want to earn some extra income, people that want to exit out of their job, people that want to make millions, right? Hello, gorgeous. Hey, Claudia, how you going? And so that's why I love this profession, because unlike the traditional corporate space where you're pegged into salaries and jobs and descriptions, and you have to go to school to to get a degree, you have to have money to have a degree, and you can't get a job without a degree. I mean, it's a really convoluted system, right? And so with network marketing, straight up, you can own your own business and be taught step by step how to actually build your business. There is a correct way and there is a wrong way, so hopefully you get taught the right way. And you'll be able to build your business on your own, around your family, and commitments, And if you're working full time, you may have to do that for a period of time till you're able to exit out if you want to do that as well. So there's a lot of people that this caters for. And for me, it offers the opportunity to be able to help a lot of people. And that's been a driving thing for me and for our life, is that we've wanted to help people. And this vehicle has allowed us to do that. And so, I've got the no alarm feels at the moment, in the sense like I don't have to put on the alarm to actually get up. But I naturally get up early because I'm so excited about what's happening in my life. It's just an automatic, I wake up and I just go, boom, thank you, universe, because I've opened my eyes, right? So I just wanted to clarify that, because I get that question a lot from people going, hey, you've been in corporate sales for so long and you haven't, you've done really well, what's the go with you transitioning into this new industry? And that's the reason why. So hit me a 1 if you get that, and hit me a 2 if you are in network marketing actually and you're loving it and you're enjoying it. This is a a company free zone, so please don't mention your company or your product, right? But I just wanted to impart people that it's not a scam. It is a legitimate industry where people are actually, or profession, where people are actually making an income, and people are making real big businesses. In fact, someone today that I know was just, given millionaire status, and, we've got so many people, nurses that are exiting themselves out of their jobs, and, I've got paralegals that are absolutely excelling, and they've come in with no experience in network marketing. Hi, Jenny, how you going? Hi, Andrew. And so when you hear stories like that, you know that it caters for everybody, right? I've got sales experience, Olive's got IT experience, we've got people that are, have come from all walks of life in our tribe. And so, at the moment, it is freeing so many people. That's right, Claudia. It is freeing so many people. So, for me, I just want to say to people, don't be closed-minded about something that potentially could change your life like it has mine. And, I'm someone that was very regimented and very closed, and I was a massive skeptic to begin with. And I didn't think it was possible. And now I'm seeing myself in a situation where I could, I've definitely done a lot of work and invested in myself, and I can see myself going, well, both of us, Olaf and I, taking us to another level. And, you can do that if you really want to. You don't have to, but if you want to, the opportunity's there, the world's your oyster. So guys, just a quick message, that, the no alarm feels is real. It can happen, where you don't have to put on the alarm, where you don't have to get up out of bed because you're forced to. You don't have to get into the car for an hour because you're forced to. You don't have to, work in a job that you don't really like or doesn't really fulfill you, right? There's nothing worse than having regret and being in a job that you don't want. And like Gary Vee says, right, take a leaf out of Gary Vee, where he says, if you really want to know what regret is, go to a retirement village and visit some people that are elderly, and talk to them about what they wish they could have done, right? And then you'll understand regret, right? You'll understand what it feels like when you're in a situation where you're stuck and you can't change it. But you know what? You do have the chance to change it. So if you're not happy and you're open to something, there are options for you. You just have to be open and just ask the question, right? And if you want to have a chat with me, I've had a lot of agnostic, company-free conversations with people and given them some frank advice. You know, of course, you can talk to me about what I'm doing, but you can also talk to me about generally what you know, what it means, what it takes, what you have to do to get started. It's completely up to you, right? But I just want to reassure people that this is not one of those, you know, professions where we're out to trick people or out to scam you and you never see your product with no guarantee. In fact, most companies, in fact, I'd probably say all, come with a money back guarantee of some sort. You know, they're all credible, high quality products, and I love supporting my fellow network marketers because I know I'm supporting someone that needs to pay a bill. I know I'm supporting someone that needs to pay their children's school fees or their electricity bill, and I would rather put that towards a small business like a fellow network marketer than to the masses. That's just me. Right? I'm just someone that loves championing people that are just out there giving life a go. So, guys, I hope this has created value for you. If so, give me a, what are we up to, 3? Give me a 3, or give me an emoji of some sort. Share this, comment, like, whatever that you feel is, you know, if you feel that someone needs to hear this message, because I know that at some point in time, 3 years ago, I needed to hear this message, and it's absolutely changed my life. And maybe someone today needs to hear this message who's stuck and feels like they have no way out, feels like they you know, they don't want to do their job, feels like they just don't want to continue down their path. Then maybe this could be the option for them. So, guys, I hope you have an amazing week. And, you know, be happy, keep pursuing your passions, live with passion, because life is so unbelievably small. So anyway, I'm off to catch up with my tribe. We've got a lot to celebrate. So I've got my wine glass ready to celebrate with these guys. Yeah, we celebrate every single week because we've got so much to celebrate, so much successes. So I hope you have an amazing week, and I'll catch up with you guys soon. Bye.